One. Okay, ready. So they're in. They're there. Gotta be careful, don't scratch them up. Put everything in. This one's a little, they're kind of tight, but we need to go back in. So I need to wrestle it a little. There's there we go. That's gonna help.
Yeah, it's dead center on this one now.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. So put these in. This guy a little more. So 3 bolts. I got it. You got enough? Okay.
That's tight.
Okay, so I think I showed you everything.
It's the same thing for that one.
I showed you what they looked like before too, right? Like I scratched and the lights on in the beginning, right? Yeah, before and after.
Yeah.
Yeah. I should have took a before picture.
I did.
You did?
Not of them on, but
You took a picture though?
of them off.
While we were videoing?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So, just for me.
Yeah. I just took of one side. Like one light.
Yeah, be careful when putting these back in. You don't want to scratch up your brand new headlight housings. Okay? Put them like you can. Ugh, smell a cigar or something.
Smells like hot dogs.
Smells like a cigar.
You think so? It smells like hot dogs.
No, that's a tobacco-ish product somehow with it. How do these fit? Alright, these go all the way up. So, we're not in all the way. I'm sure. I don't know if it's supposed to have that gap.
Yes.
That side doesn't.
Okay.
Try to get that in there all the way because water will probably get behind there. Huh? How about this? Okay, everybody, you're going to have to hold it like from over there to get this bad boy in. Okay? You want them to be as close as you can. There's not water getting in there. And then
Is it up all the way?
I don't know. Pause it. It looks.
Okay.
Got it? Come over, show 'em. You're going to need a helper to lean on there, and then you're going to have to push your body gets there. Look, you want to get it in there. So we got it forced in good, but it was difficult. You need to really lean on it. I'm a little exhausted because I'm fat. Okay? So you may be too. Ah! Did you just call me fat? This guy's crazy. Hot pockets. You just call us fat. I'm videoing. I'm not even looking.
I'm looking at the
Okay, what
thing.
time we got left? Time?
12 minutes.
Okay, so we're good. What do you think? Good? Firm? Be careful not to break all that. Firm. Okay. It's good. So, same thing. Okay. 3 bolts. I'm going to show you guys this time how I connected the lights to the system and removed the whole thing so you have a little better idea. You ready? Okay, ready? Get a flathead screwdriver. Pop. Easy. I burped. Okay, that one's there. Wrestle it out. This one is here and you wrestle it out. So this one is the one that's going to make your U-bar work. So, okay, these two, boom, boom. Remember, green goes to that guy, which is the red. Blue goes to there, but they have them clipped, so you're good. You just gotta remember. Okay, so I got this off. Here we go. Okay. The blue is this guy. Okay. See how they're a different type of switch, so you're good. Okay. Put that in there. Be gentle with it. Okay. Got this guy. You got on. Put that. Okay. Put those together. The orange light is the one that's on the outside. Okay, which is right there. I'm probably gonna need to replace these soon, man. Look, ow! I just ripped my skin off my fingernail. That hurts. They're super sticky stickers. Okay, so grab this guy. Look at your connectors. fattest one goes like that. Just be gentle and push in and lock it in. Okay, there you go. Your next one is this guy. And of course, it's going to fall out. Especially it's not affecting your vision or your light any later. You don't want it to end up in the hole. Okay. Flinging around by your light bulb. So this one is one, and then two little ones. The two little ones go on this side, like that, and you flop that in. No trouble with it. It's a tight fit there. And you turn and get them towards the middle too. Okay, are we on? Okay, you're gonna reach in here and wiggle this guy out, just like I had to do it the other guy. It's a little difficult. There you go. Okay. Well, what do I do with the other one? You know?
No, it's on
the grass. Yeah. And it's just a thing. So this guy here.
Hey, Annie.
Just take it. It doesn't say which way is which, so you just got to go with it and hope you got it right. It can be flipped either way. So what's going to happen is if somehow you got it wrong, it's going to flicker. So hope you got it right. We're going to go up here and do what we did before. Turn this thing on. And after we get it in place,
here.
we're just going to sit in it. We're going to sit on. We're not going to screw it in. Okay?
Take this.
Hold on. Go turn on the headlights. Come back. Are we recording still?
Okay. I made a car seat.
I know. Hold on, Kylie. I'm busy.
Look at this car seat.
I'll look at the car seat. Look at her car seat, everybody.
Alex.
Here. Close your legs. You're a lady. Okay. Here's her car seat. We're upside down. We're going to get upside down on the recording, so.
Okay.
You were holding upside down.
It's not on.
It's recording right now.
Remember, it's not on.
None of it is? Did you turn on the headlight?
Yeah, that one's working.
Is it?
That one's
The
working.
U-bar working?
Yeah.
Okay, the headlight itself's not working either.
Because you didn't plug it in.
So, how about now?
No.
No?
No.
Okay, we're getting there.
Okay.
That was backwards.
What was
That means
backwards?
The U-bar's wire.
Oh.
So the headlight's wire. Probably wrong. Huh?
It's not that bright.
Oh, the stupid things.
Oh.
They got pushed in the middle because of this design.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
You hear me?
Mhm.
That
What now?
Yep.
Good?
Yep.
Okay, record.
I've been recording.
Okay. I don't know if I showed you guys the metal wiring. Come here, show 'em. Inside this blue, they're not opened enough. You're gonna have to open them because this harness is a far apart. If you don't, what's gonna show them, I guess.
Don't
Okay.
take it back out.
Go grab that.
Vessel.
Oh, we don't. It's this harness. Okay, we can't show them.
Gonna take it out.
Oh yeah, go grab that headlight. Grab that headlight and bring it to me. Come on, hurry up. Bring it here. The way the harness plugs in on this bulb up here. See how there's a piece of plastic and they're separated?
Oh yeah.
The new ones aren't that way. They're just the wire tongs pressed into a harness. So what happens is if you don't do it, they get pushed together. So you have to separate them enough and make sure they go on. Because like, see like this one's fine, but they have that teeth and they're far. These are too close on this and it pinched them together. You have to spread them, gentle, put it in. Boom. Kylie, can you set this over there for me?
Gently.
Yes, he has bird poop on
Go
it.
set it. I know. Go. All right, everybody. So there we go. Show them a far distance.
Watch out, Kylie. Watch out.
We don't know if it's gonna be bright. We don't know that.
Daddy might need
Don't
to
look at them.
adjust.
I might have to change the actual headlight.
And he still has to adjust the bulb
Oh,
too.
come here. Show them this. The reason you're gonna have trouble fitting the original wiring light harness clips into here. There's a
This
show 'em.
one's
Can you see that? Hey,
bright side.
hey. Can you see this or no? Kristen,
Yes.
can you see that?
Yes.
Okay. They can't clip. This doesn't have it. So you're only connected by these three, whereas the old thing, you put two, and then you went clip. So that's going to make it harder. All right, pause it. We're going to have to put this on.
Mhm.
Put this over there, or you just hold on to it. All right, everybody, we got them in. And we're slowly but surely gently put this back together. You're gonna have to fiddle with those lights. They're gonna go around. After you put them on, you might find out one of your lights wasn't right. We put it back on, we didn't test that high beam, so we had to take it apart. So, very
Careful, don't scratch your headlight.
I know. Check this slowly. Help for this part, but I think I got it. When you put this in, you gotta make sure these, what do you call it? Tow bars. So you gotta lean it out before it's all the way in there. Oh, look, you're gonna have to help me pause it. Around?
Yep.
Okay, right, you're gonna need a little help. You gotta get it in, you gotta make sure the plastic part of the foam of the bumper is slid into the holes of the bumper and everything before you can get it in there and get the tow hooks on. Once you get it up, then you're gonna have to get on there to hook your fog lights back up. These have to be popped outwards and clip back into that spot. You remember that was the last thing to do. So I'm gonna put 2 of these in to hold it in place while I get on there and mess around with that, but I'm not gonna tighten them all the way down.